How to delete group in Splitwise. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a group in Splitwise. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to open your Splitwise application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, here tap on the groups icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now you will need to navigate to the group you wish to delete from the app's main interface. Tap on the group name to access its details at the very top. And once you are inside the group, you'll be able to see the settings or the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on the settings icon, and once you reach to the settings page, you will need to scroll down within this menu until you find the option labeled delete group. You'll also be able to leave this group, but if you'd like to delete it permanently, you can simply tap on delete group to initiate the deletion process. Once after doing that, a pop-up will appear. It will ask you if you are really sure to delete the group or not. Make sure to review it and then tap on this OK button to confirm. This action will permanently delete the group and all the associated data. Now once confirmed, the group will no longer appear in the list of active groups and all the members will lose access to its expense history. Also note that only the group admin or the creator can delete a group. By following these steps, you can effectively delete a group in Splitwise. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.